Good morning, children. Welcome back to today is Thursday, 21st of May. Yes, today we're having science this morning, and in science we're looking at filtration. You can see it on the board. Filtration. Okay? Filtration. It's in your Oxford International Science, okay? Page 98. Page what? Page 98. Good. We're looking at filtration. The topic for today is where the water comes from in hot, dry countries. We're still looking at hot, dry countries. Yes, we can drink the water that comes directly from the ground or the sea, but has to pass through what is called filtration. It has to pass through what is called filtration. You can easily say filtering, to filter. When mommy boils rice, she has to filter out most of the starch before she parboils the rice again, isn't it? Good. It's the same thing with water. It's the same thing in the process of making pap out of corn. You have to filter, take out the solid, okay? Differentiating or separating the solid from the liquid. Yes, that is called filtration or filtering. Teacher went ahead to define it on the board for us to understand. Filtration is the removing of solid particles. You see, like what I told you earlier, particles in liquid, or the process of filtering something. I told you this previously using the voice note, and I encourage you to watch the video so you can see teacher explain also further. It's the process of filtering something. Okay? Also, sometimes groundwater can be dirty and muddy, and it needs to be clean. So teacher has shown you the processes of filtering. It's even in your textbook. Look at it here. Here it is. Here it says, take some muddy water, stretch a piece of cloth over a bowl, pour the muddy water through the cloth. You see, you pass it through the cloth, you will see that the water will be filtered. The clean water will go under, while the mud will settle on top of the cloth that has been placed over the bowl. Not on top of bottle, a bowl. It's not something that has a wide mouth, so you can see clearly what you are doing. You can practice this at home, telling mom or your elder ones to guide you. It's a very beautiful experience, okay? Ways we can clean our groundwater is stretch a piece of cloth over a bowl. 2, pour the groundwater through the cloth, like I have shown you here. Look at a cloth. This is the water. This is a piece of cloth over the bowl. And if you see, the solid particle is on top of the cloth, while the water is at the base of the bowl. Good children. It's in your textbook. Just go through. Then number 3, boil the water. What did teacher say? When boil. Always boil. Then you keep it to cool. You can't drink it hot. It will burn your throat. Yes. You keep it cool, and now it's safe to drink. Okay? You can't just drink random water without processing it good through filtering. Okay? This process of stretching putting a piece of cloth over a bowl, then pouring groundwater through it, then boiling it. This process is all called filtration. What did the teacher say? The process is called filtration. Filtration. So this process is known as filtration. Why water is boiled before drinking is to kill all the bugs that are in the water. You see those little bugs? No, you can't see them. I can't see them either. There are these little bugs in water that I can't see and you can't see. That's why we need to boil our water to safety, okay? That's why we have to boil before drinking, okay? To kill all bugs. So in hot, dry countries, they use sea water for the water they need. They use what? Sea water. for the water they need. And this water is very salty. The seawater is what? It's very salty and is poisonous. It's what? Poisonous and needs cleansing. The two sources of water is what? Rainwater and seawater or groundwater. Rainwater or seawater, as well as groundwater. And the seawater is very salty. And I know you enjoyed this class this morning. I'll be right back shortly. Love you. Bye. Watch the video, and you'll be glad you did. Bye.